Dear third prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Mahmud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have the third lesson in the algebra. Okay, the lesson is called solving two equations in two variables, one of them in the first degree and the other in the second degree. Here I have only one case or one situation to solve the two equations algebraically only, and also I have only one way, which is the substitution way. Let's start the lesson. Here in this example, find in R product to R the solution set of the following two equations. The first equation is x minus y equal 1, and the second equation is x power of 2 plus y power of 2 equal 13. By looking carefully to the two equations, I have now first degree equation and here second degree equation. Always we start with the first degree equation. Okay, I'm going to make x in terms of y or y in terms of x. How come? Here it's easier to make x in terms of y by sending y to the right side. Okay, y to the right side like this. It will be x equal 1 plus y or y plus 1 like this. It's better to put them between brackets. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now I'm going to substitute the value of x, okay, which is equal 1 plus y here in the second equation. Okay, like this. Substitute x equal 1 plus y in the second equation. So it will be 1 plus y all power of 2 plus y power of 2 equal 13. Now we need to remember how can we expand this bracket. To expand this bracket, okay, as we studied in the first prep, we make the first power 2 and 2 times first times second and second power of 2. Okay, so 1 power of 2 equal 1. 1 times y times 2 equal 2y, and y power of 2 equal y power of 2. Now I'm going to drop y power of 2 here and drop 13, okay, from the right side to the left side, okay, and make the right side equal 0. Now I'm going to add the like terms. Here I have y power of 2 and y power of 2 are like, so it will be 2y to the power of 2 like this, and 2y only, okay, without any other like to it. So it will be dropped down to y. And now I have 1 and the negative 13. 1 and the negative 13 equals the negative 12. Equal 0. Okay. Now I'm going to divide the whole equation by 2. Because 2 and 2 and 12, all of them divisible by 2. So it will be like this. Y power of 2 plus y negative 6 equal 0. Okay. Now I'm going to factorize this one, this trinomial. You can factorize this one, or you can use the formula, or you can use mode equation 3 in the calculator. It's up to you. Now I'm going to use the factorization because I need the factorization in the next unit, inshallah. Okay. Now I'm going to open two brackets like this. Y power of 2 will distribute here and here. So it will be y and y. And here, because I have now negative sign, so I'm going to write two different signs like this, positive and negative, or negative and positive. It's up to you. Now I'm going to factorize 6. 6 equal 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Again, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. I need two numbers, the difference between them 1, because this is the coefficient is 1. So I'm going to choose 2 and 3. 3 is the bigger one. Okay, go with the sign looks like the middle sign. Here the middle sign is positive, so I'm going to write here 3 and here 2 like this, equal 0 finally. Finally, I'm going to take the first bracket, y minus 2 equal 0, like this. So I'm going to send 2 to the right side. It will be equal 2. This is the first value of y. Okay. Now I'm back to this equation, x equal 1 plus y. So it will be 1 plus 2 equals 3. So x equal 3. So this is the first solution of the two equations, x equals 3 and y equal 2. Now back to the second bracket. Y plus 3 equal 0 here. Okay. I'm going to send 3 here minus 3 like this. So y equal negative 3. Back to this equation. Put right here in place of y negative 3. So y plus negative 3 equal negative 2. So x equal negative 2. Now I'm going to write the solution set. The solution set formed from two brackets because I have, okay, x and y and also x and y. The first x and y written between brackets 3 and 2, and the second x and y written between brackets negative 2 and negative 3 like this, and all of them written between braces to be solution set 3 and 2, negative 2 and negative 3, and this is the solution of the two equations, the first and the second degree. Let's solve another example. Find in R product R the solution set of the two equations y minus x equals 3 and x power of 2 plus xy equal 5. Okay, first I'm going to choose the first degree equation. This is the first degree equation. Okay, y minus x equals 3. By sending x to the right side, so it will be y equal x plus 3 like this, and this is the first equation. By substitute here 3 plus x in place of y, again by substitute 3 plus x in place of y, so it will be x power of 2 plus x times x plus 3 equal 5, as I said before. Okay, now I'm going to distribute this bracket, x among the bracket, x times 3 equals 3x, and x times x equal x power of 2, x power of 2, 3x, and x power of 2, and send 5 to the right side, to the left side, sorry. It will be like this, negative 5, to make the right side equal 0. Okay, now I'm going to collect the like terms, x power of 2 and x power of 2 equal 2x power of 2. Okay, now let's solve the next example. Find in R product to R the solution set of the two equations y minus x equal 3 and x power of 2 plus xy equal 5. Okay, here I'm going to start with the first degree equation, which is this one. I'm going to send x to the right side, okay, to the right side to be x plus 3. So y equal 3 plus x. Okay, now I'm going to substitute in place of y here in this equation. I'm going to write 3 plus x in place of y. So the second equation will be like this, x power of 2 plus x times 3 plus x equal 5. Now I'm going to drop down x power of 2, distribute x among 3 times x. It will be 3x and the x times x equal x power of 2. And send 5 from the right side to the left side. It will be negative 5 like this. Now I'm going to collect the like terms. Okay, it will be 2x power of 2 and drop down 3x and the negative 5 because they have no like terms. Okay, now I'm going to factorize this expression. Open two brackets, 2x and x. And now I'm going to write two different signs because this sign is negative. So I'm going to write two different signs, positive and negative, like this. 5 equal 5 times 1. So I'm going to write 5 here and 1 there. Okay, to make the means equal 5x and the extremes equals negative 2x, the sum of them equals 3. Okay, or by using formula, or by using the mode equation 3 in the calculator. Okay, I'm going to make the two brackets. The first bracket equals 0, 2x plus 5 equals 0. So I'm going to send 5 to the right side. It will be negative 5, and 2 and over 2 it will be negative 5 over 2. Now the other, back to this equation, y equals 3 plus x. So 3 plus negative 5 over 2 equal 1 over 2. Okay, the other part, y minus x, x minus 1 equals 0, like this. So I'm going to send 1 to the right side. It will be positive 1. Okay, back to this equation, make x equal 1. So 3 plus 1 equal 4. So y equal 4. Finally, I'm going to collect x and y between brackets and the x and y between brackets like this. So the solution will be negative 5 and over 2 and 1 over 2 between brackets, comma 1 and 4 between brackets. This is the solution set. Another example. Here I have word problem. The sum of two real numbers is 7 and the difference between their squares is 7 also. Okay, the difference between their squares. Squares means power of 2 of the numbers. First, let the two numbers be x and y. Okay? As I said before, the sum of the two real numbers, again, the sum of real numbers is 7. So x plus y equal 7. Okay, this is equation number 1. I'm going to send y to the right side, so x equals 7 minus y. This is equation number 1. Okay, the other equation, the sum of the difference between their squares is 7. So x power of 2 minus y power of 2 equals 7, like this. Now I'm going to substitute 7 minus y, which is x, in place of x. It will be like this. 7 minus y all power of 2 minus y all power of 2 equals 7. Now I'm going to expand 7 power of 2 will be 49. 2 times first times second, it will be negative 14y. Second power of 2 equal positive y power of 2. And now I'm going to drop negative y and drop equal 7. Now I'm going to cancel y together. Y power of 2 is negative y again. Y power of 2 minus y power of 2 equals 0. Like this. So now I have 14, negative 14y equal 7 minus 49. So it will be negative 42. By sending negative 42 to the right side was divided. So y equal negative 42 divided by negative 14 equals negative 3. Equal positive 3. Back to first equation, this one. 7 equal 7, x equal 7 minus 3. So x equal 4. Okay. Now the two numbers are 4 and 3. And this is the solution of this word problem. And this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.